Today we're talking two Akins Ford F250 LARIATs, 2026s at that, 3-inch leveled on 37s or Bubba covered editions. Let's go. What do you know about that right there, y'all? America's #1 Ford dealership in the country, which also means the whole world. We're the GOAT, we're the champ, and I'm rocking the MJ retro swag today. When you see this jacket, you think first and foremost of MJ, the GOAT. Championships, undefeated when it mattered the most, just so iconic and legendary, the ultimate brand, rocking the J's to go along with it. Now, just like when you see the Chicago logo, when you see that Akins logo right there, along with Wild Willies custom accessories, the first thing you need to be thinking of is the same thing as when you see this right here. Championships, legendary, greatness, undefeated. Akins Ford and Chicago Bulls, we the champ. Being #1 with an abundance of resources allows us to do this right here, give you variations. It's not about cookie cutter this or cookie cutter that. It's about going next level, showing you slightly different variations for you, the great customer, to decide which is best for you. Now, first of all, you may say, real deal, I'm a star white guy, or maybe I'm a gate black guy. Chrome package is my hit too. I love that 20-inch wheel. Both are 3-inch BDS lifted on 37s. Now, BDS, tried and true with their offerings, giving the Fox Shocks 2.0 all the way around, rear radius arms, and a single Fox steering stabilizer replacement, along with Carly torsion sway bar with end links. There's the Fox 2.0s in the back too. This 3-inch lift kit is tried and true and so consistent in delivering exceptional ride quality and capability, being able to accommodate 37s with no problem. The Agate Black Bubba Covert, same setup, 37s on 3-inch BDS lift kit. Up front, we took away that pesky long valance and replaced it with a custom trimmed trimmer valance on both. That looks so much better. And then here's a slight variation, tire selection overall. Of course, we could have threw so many different tires on either one of these trucks. I stuck with hybrid tire selection on both. 37, 12.5, 20, Nitto Ridge Grappler, the #1 tire in America still, because it looks so aggressive, has a great looking sidewall with 2 different sidewall options. But this thing just performs and delivers both on-road and off-road. Going to get you, if you're rotating, balancing, and driving correctly, at least 45,000 miles. I've seen over 70,000 miles out of a set of these. And his sister company, and this is the competitor tire as well, the Toyo Open Country RT Trail 37, 12.5, 20 as well. Again, an aggressive sidewall and unique tread pattern which delivers similar characteristics as the Ridge Grappler. This tire is newer as far as when it was released in comparison to the Ridge Grappler. So this is still the GOAT, but this one right here is so legit too. So that's first variation. Both are 3-inch BDS lifted, but we got Nitto Ridge Grappler versus Toyo Open Country RT Trail, and so far it's truly a win-win no matter which truck you pick. Funny side shot on the Agate Black is so dialed in. I love the balance and flow of the Agate Black and chrome. 3-inch level, 37s, no problem. The balance and proportion is perfect. Also kept the factory running boards on there. They look good, but of course there's so many ways to go even to another level. So you could have done an Amp Research power deployable board here, and you could have toned down a little bit with some custom paint. But this offering was all about just showing you tried and true ways, around 100 grand, to get you on a Bubba Covert setup that is dialed in. Outback on both, Husky rear wheel well liners, and again, more variation when it comes to bed cover selection. The Pace Edwards Jackrabbit retractable bed cover brings great value, functionality, it works great. Twist here, nice and smooth with how it retracts back, has a nice strap here included, and it clicks in multiple areas based on what you're hauling. But look, I'm one hand filming and showing you using the bed cover with ease. A retractable bed cover, especially on a leveled or modified Super Duty of any sort, is crucial to me because a trifold bed cover, this truck's pretty tall on 37, so it's very important to roll with a retractable bed cover overall. Now, Pace Edwards by Lear, of course, tried and true, been around for so long, just like our Akins liner, guaranteed for life. Next door, wheel well liner was a must, and went with the Retrax 1 MX retractable bed cover here. Slightly different variation. Your side bed rail is a little bit more raised than coming here next door to the Pace Edwards. The Pace Edwards is definitely the most sleek and low profile. Even up here at the drum canister, I really like the way this one looks overall. The Retrax one, the drum canister is pretty flush as well. It's just this side bed rail. It protrudes up slightly. Again, so low profile overall. Akins liner guaranteed for life. Of course, functionality, there is no strap, so you lift this up here and you have to walk down the side of the truck, but it flows so nice and smooth. Operation is very easy overall. Look at that. Dialed in. Whether it's Retrax or Pace Edwards or Rolling Lock and many more, we got you covered. The secret sauce to this is scoop these up. They're ready to purchase right now, or just look at our acres and acres of inventory. Being number one means just say you like the white truck, but you want the Pace Edwards bed cover on it, or you like the black truck and you want Nittos on it, just scoop you up a stock one here on our lot and we can take it to the next level with ease and convenience. That's almost like MJ Goat status. You dig? Dennis hooks them all up with Lumar window tint and paint protection film, door edge guards, door handle cups. That's perfect. On the inside, what you've known to expect from a Lariat, even though this is not true leather, the material feels great and holds up so well too. And overall, the interior is so dialed in with heated and cooled seats and other great amenities. Power stroke power with comfort and style. Window sticker info on the Star White bad boy. Stock number TEC 50649. Bubba covert action. Pause here for all of our options as well as the factory options here. And again, it's now available for purchase. Agate black's the same. I know it's not called Agate black. I know it's agate, but I call it Agate. It's my life. I'm gonna do it my way. Pause here again. Very similarly equipped. Bed covers slightly different price points. Tires slightly different price point. But overall, so similar. Factory options, custom options, Bubba covert, custom is greater than stock. As a train rolls by, that's it. We are like a train, y'all. We are always on the move, carrying a load and getting the job done. 2 diamonds right here, available for purchase at the GOAT dealership, Akins Ford and Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia. I'm your boy, Real Deal. It's my passion and purpose to bring you customs every single day and help you take your vehicle to the next level too. From new or used, bought here or bought elsewhere, come see us at Wild Willies. We are your custom source. I love you and God does too. Peace out.